Hey guys! Welcome to ChatGPT Payaman Prompts. Siguradong makakatulong to sa online business growth mo with a ready-to-use prompt. Ano ba yung problem? Many small business owners struggle to plan their social media strategy. Madalas, time-consuming at trial and error ang nangyayari, tapos nakaka-stress pa kapag hindi tumaas ang sales. Ano yung name ng prompt na to? I call it the social media turbocharge. Paano yung solution prompt? ChatGPT, act as my marketing guru. I own brand name, offering product service to target audience. My main goal is to boost engagement and sales. Please outline a 3-step social media content plan that aligns with my brand personality, includes weekly post ideas with key themes, and provide tips on how to convert followers into paying customers. Ito yung sample, paki-pause ang video para ma-screenshot mo ang sample prompt. By filling in these details, gagawin ni ChatGPT ang isang tailor-made strategy na swak sa brand mo. Ang step-by-step content plan saves you time, keeps your feed fresh, at tumutulong mag-convert ng casual scrollers into actual buyers. Ito yung first dose of ChatGPT Payaman Prompts. Stay tuned for our next video.